Welcome to my channel. Hi beautiful ladies. If you're looking for a moisturizer that's gentle, hydrating, and fights signs of aging without harsh chemicals, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing my honest review of the Radical Skincare Anti-Aging Restorative Moisturizer packed with jojoba, vitamin E, and aloe. It's designed to keep your skin glowing, youthful, and healthy every single day. Let's dive in. Radical Skincare Anti-Aging Restorative Moisturizer. The Anti-Aging Restorative Moisturizer by Radical Skincare is a luxurious daily treatment that helps lock in deep hydration while restoring your skin's natural glow. This powerful formula nourishes the skin with essential nutrients and antioxidants, working to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The result is a youthful, radiant complexion that looks refreshed, smooth, and revitalized. Perfect for those who want to protect, repair, and enhance their skin. This moisturizer combines science-backed ingredients with natural botanicals to deliver visible results you can feel confident about. What sets this moisturizer apart is its ability to provide advanced hydration without heaviness or irritation. Designed to support your skin's health over time, it strengthens the skin barrier, improves elasticity, and creates a radiant glow. With its antioxidant-rich formula, it helps combat free radical damage, the leading cause of premature aging, while leaving skin soft, supple, and nourished. Benefits: herb lock in moisture and rejuvenate. Formulated with hydrating ingredients like jojoba, aloe vera, and vitamin E, this moisturizer deeply penetrates the skin to replenish lost moisture while delivering essential nutrients. The result is skin that feels smoother, plumper, and more resilient. Fine lines and wrinkles appear diminished, giving your complexion a renewed youthful vibrance. Herb soothes and calms redness. This restorative formula doesn't just hydrate, it actively works to restore balance. By detoxifying the skin, soothing inflammation, and calming redness, it helps improve the overall appearance of sensitive or reactive skin. If you struggle with uneven skin tone or discoloration, this moisturizer supports a brighter, more even complexion. Over time, your skin looks visibly firmer, calmer, and more radiant. Herb perfect for sensitive skin. Many anti-aging products are too harsh for delicate or sensitive skin types, but Radical Skincare designed this moisturizer with gentleness in mind. Lightweight and fast-absorbing, it hydrates effectively without leaving any oily or shiny residue. Its non-drying, soothing texture makes it ideal for all skin types, including those prone to sensitivity, redness, or irritation. Daily use restores and protects the skin barrier, giving you lasting comfort and confidence. Herb-rich in antioxidants. Thanks to trilacell technology, this moisturizer ensures maximum concentration and delivery of active ingredients to the skin. The antioxidants remain potent and stable within the formula, ensuring the cream delivers visible, high-quality results quickly. By neutralizing free radicals, it protects against environmental damage while boosting skin's natural defense system. Herb clean and conscious beauty. This formula is cruelty-free and paraben-free, aligning with Radical Skincare's mission to create safe, effective, and ethical products. You can feel good knowing that you're treating your skin with the highest quality ingredients, free from unnecessary additives or harmful chemicals. Suggested use. For best results, apply the anti-aging restorative moisturizer both day and night on freshly cleansed skin. Massage gently into the face and neck, allowing the formula to fully absorb. For maximum anti-aging efficacy, pair it with Radical Skincare's I Revive Creme to target delicate under-eye areas. With consistent use, you'll notice smoother texture, improved elasticity, and a healthier, more radiant appearance. Why you'll love it? This isn't just another moisturizer, it's a complete restorative treatment for your skin. With its blend of hydration, antioxidant protection, and soothing benefits, it supports your skin's natural renewal process while preventing future damage. Whether you're looking to reduce fine lines, calm sensitivity, or simply achieve a luminous complexion, the Radical Skincare Anti-Aging Restorative Moisturizer is the perfect addition to your daily routine. Rediscover the confidence of smooth, hydrated, youthful-looking skin, because healthy skin is radiant skin. To buy this product, go to check link in the description box. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching.